Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is West Virginia's birthday, June 20th, 2025. And for West Virginia's birthday, I'm going to take a hike on the Table Rock Trail here in Tucker County, West Virginia. Got my wife with me today, which is a little different. She's going to go with me. Come along. Forgot my hiking shoes. I've got my good tennis shoes on. Oh well. They won't be my good tennis shoes when we're done, I think.
Watching me try to get in mud. Going.
Yeah, it's been nice. Maybe that's this year's project.
Look, we're getting somewhere.
The sun came out just in time. All right, that's our time here at Table Rocks. We're going to head back and see if we can make it to Seneca Rocks before the day's over. I don't know if we have enough time or not, but we're going to rush back and try to get there. Hope you enjoyed this video.